Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're watching this video at any point in time, I want to thank you guys for viewing this video. Well, I want to help some persons that are out there that you may be struggling to get leads inside of your business. You may be looking to join a business and make an extra income online. Well, pause for a second, watch this video. It's going to be probably about 5-6 minutes. I want to show you guys out there that even have a business how you can leverage this tool to build a rapid list of responsive buyers. Also how you can make an extra income online, hence making streams of income. All right, so tool that we're going to be looking at today is Lead Lightning. And just before I move on, I just want to show you guys some of my results. Okay, this is my Gmail. I don't know if you guys can see, I've been using this tool for a few years now. So there we go. Opt-ins, all of these are just opt-ins, people going in and making purchases. Okay, right? And so this tool is a mere $7, less than a price for a Big Mac. Okay, and this tool helps you to build a list. All of you guys that are out there and you're in business, you know that building a list is one of the most important things that you can do within your business. And so with me using this tool, I am able to promote my front end business, and I'm also able to leverage this tool to help me to build my list and at the same time make an extra stream of income. Okay, and so what is Lead Lightning? To me, Lead Lightning is my list building tool that actually pays me to build my list. That's right. It actually pays me to build my list, because when I go ahead and I purchase this tool for a mere one-time fee of $7, right? It helps me not only to build my list for Lead Lightning, it also helps me to build my list for my front end business. Okay, and so everyone that comes in and join and see the power of this list building tool, they go ahead and pay their $7. And so for every $7 buyer, I in return am able to make $6. And so $6 recurring. You guys can see this can build up pretty fast, because $7, that's a no-brainer. Okay, and when I expose to you what you're gonna get for this one-time payment of $7, this is gonna blow your mind. Okay, and I would like to say, if somebody were to ask me what is Lead Lightning to me, I would simply say it is the ultimate business in a box. It is that simple. I'll show you why. Okay, so as you can see here, this is perfect for beginners in generating leads and generating commissions immediately. And so if you're new in the online marketing business, or if you're afraid and you want to get your feet wet, this would be the perfect tool for you to be initiated into the industry. Okay, if you're gonna create a list of buyers. It's simple. The money is in the list, and this is where you would come to build that list. All right, now the very thing that I love about the Lead Lightning is that you're able to use this platform to actually promote your front end offer, and I'll show you how we do that shortly. So I want to just slide down really quick so you guys can see what it is that you get for your $7. Okay, so for your $7, you get ready to go funnels. You have an autoresponder and the campaigns all ready to go. You have a contact manager that manages all of your contacts when people opt in. It captures all of their emails, their name, their phone contacts, and they store it all in one place, nice and neat for you. Okay, you have additional marketing help in terms of you can buy traffic, you have banners, you have swipe, copy, all of that stuff. Also, you have a an e-wallet that tracks all of your commission, stores all of your money in one place, and you're paid instantly. Sorry, not instantly. Well, you have you get the $6, but it is paid on a weekly basis, right? It's beginner friendly. Like I said in the beginning, it's very newbie friendly. The back office is very easy to navigate. It's a simply a business in a box. And then you also have the training area. The training area is so superb. All right, the training is top notch. With this training and you implementing the training, with this being a $7 offer, for most persons that are out there that you're going to pitch this offer to, it's like a no-brainer. Like I said, you also have a commission tracking software that is 100. It tracks your commissions 100%. Also, I would have said to you, for every $7 buyer, you get $6 goes directly to you. And so what I want to do right now is want to switch over real quick. I want to take you into the front door of the Power Lead system. And so when you join Lead Lightning, your system will look a little bit different. Up here it would say Lead Lightning. Because I'm a full-blown member of the Power Lead system, I am a Power Lead system member, and so it is a step up from the Lead Lightning system. Okay, so once you go ahead and you see you can leverage this to promote your front end business, this is where you're going to come. It's a nice short introductory video into the company. The next thing that you would want to do is join the Facebook group, right? Now, within the Facebook group is where all of the leaders, all of the top earners, the 6 to 7 figure earners are in this group daily. The creator of the system is in there and he's asking questions, answering questions. All the leaders are doing lives. There's a training every Thursday night where the creator of the system, he has a live, Facebook live. As you guys can see, it's very active. This is a post that I would have made yesterday. I went and I viewed the compensation plan. It is very robust. This company is actually paying out more in commissions than it is receiving monies. But that's the Facebook group, and then it also shows you how to advertise your link. And so here's the unique thing that I love about this company. And so this is my front end offer, right? My front end offer is the $25 one up. So this is my sales page, right? This is my sales page. And so what I do is I grab this very link, right, that you see up here. And I would go over to my Lead Lightning back office. I would simply paste that in here, hit update, and then you would be able to test your link, right? There it is. And so what happens is when you promote any one of these links, right, through emails to persons that opt into one of your Lead Lightning capture pages, in some of the emails that they send, it's going to promote your front end business automatically. You just have to copy and put the link in here and it's done, right? Now, one mistake a lot of persons do, they just put the link in here and they think that it's automatically generated. You have to paste your link, right? And then you have to click the update button, right? Then it says changes save, right? And that's it. You can choose any one of these links. I'll show you. You can go right in here and you can create what we call subdomains to promote any one of these, any one of those links, right? So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is how I leverage the Lead Lightning system. If you guys have any questions, please leave the links below. Like I said, here is some of my leads that I've been getting, right? You can see I've been getting leads. I've been making $6 commissions over and over and over and over again. Please, guys, if you have any questions, you can leave a comment at the bottom. If you have any queries, anything at all, I think I may drop my Facebook link in there at all. And so it's all about showing persons how they can build a rapid list at the same time making multiple streams of of income. I always try to say to the person, you know, don't brand yourself to any company. It's all about helping as much persons as you can while creating multiple streams of income. That's a win-win. And so that's it for today. You guys, my links are going to be to the very bottom of this video. You have a blessed day, and remember, sharing is caring, and I'll see you on another video shortly.